Welcome to Madda Forex Master Academy. سلامتا بمقدام لو معدغا كنت لمود ناي سنبت ماركت اناليسيس حيزا مسيال له كساب مودة دما مكتابكم يعدم قدامنت لو معانتي 4 بير سيناكري جي بي بي يو اس دي اي يو دي يو اس دي جولد كمون جي بي بي جي بي واي ابزا حالفه سمون بجي بي بي يو اس دي كنجمرينا جي بي بي يو اس دي ابزا دبل توب already market مستناي non farm employment news نبره extremely pushing up لنا نيرنا double tops form غيرنا نيرو سلازي price لازي double tops نحر بريك غيرنا بناي smaller time frame بناي higher time frame مالتيو market كساب ابز زون زناي مبصح تقول اللو لنا analyze غيرنا نيرنا سلازي حجي ندحر رينا ياخا price already break مسكبرو نزيناي 4 hour structure when I 4 hour resistance بدحري break and retest غيرها لعلي 370 بيب زخون للعلي explode كوين مالتي وين لعلي كيدو حجي غنزد مسز ولا سمون انتاينا كنسبع دحرزي completely bullish تخونا move ناي last week very beautiful زخونا ناي last week push حجي غا انتاينا كنسبعها حقرنا نرايب بعجين دحر مسينا price already in a higher time frame مالتيو form this double tops already mitigate girlna lo malati mizi area zi if we see this is the tops so we are expecting price to drop kabzi zone zi malati like 4 hour time frame kan kirena ziti highs nahna wala hiji ndahrina yaga price still abnay bullish mood izalo webnay bullish push izalo again we may expect abnay smaller time frame price to break these highs. So let's see what we can expect from GU. We will see price how it will behave. Kabzi hijato zala structure bunai smaller time frame knowledge. So price in the zones break again, break and retest. It may shoot all the way up. It will move up to 1.35. So the areas malati 1.35 area. It may push up again. Easy mulu bumulu push kay duwa dalon izi last week. There is no any retracement. So there is high probability ka price the zones retrace get to the downside. So بحسر زبالنتانا كنسبه كاب GU كابزي حج فورم غيراتو دلا structure كابزي consolidation تاعتو زلا وين الأعلى وين ما تحتي price break and retest إذا عين structure مسرعنا stop loss above غيرنا sell position نحس and the price نزي ناي smaller time frame tops نحر break غيرنا stop loss below غيرنا we are going to look for buys لذي not really كنتي more أبناي last week زنبرتو كم زعينة structure forms لذي قبرتلنا like this one مالتي decent زغونا 4 hour resistance break ناخد قبل لانس بياز نبرنا كوما ايكونن جن most probably كابزي حجي فورم جرات لنا دلا structure مسوسة لنا it will move سلزي we have to see price to execute from this trappy structure كالسينا ب AUD USD كلمتنا AUD USD the same story last week price zones break قبرلنا مو معناته انتهي تباهلنا نيرا سنبت price push all the way in the bullish trend all the way push to the bearish trend حجها market همنا consolidation with my range اتيلو لنا نيرنا مالتيو اب range اتيلنا لنا نيرنا سلازي we've been waiting price كاب range زكوصلنا مالتيو price كاب زمسوصه if it break the game كنتري وات قوليهم last week video نزي break and retest نحرجراتنا زي market زي there is high probability to shoot all the way up سبب زناي مبصح تقول الله وين analyze جرنا نيرنا بدحريو كابزم سوسات كا as we can see prices pushing all the way up نحجها already they mitigate double tops beautiful double tops form جرنا له ስለዚህ price is completely we are still rejecting. So what we can expect from this market for the coming days, price it will push back now 0.68800 area, but we are going to look for after night 4 ساعات candle form مسكونة تدبيرش, we can look it for sell position. نزي كهابتنا عند straight away price continuation of break of the previous high in the this market it might go all the way up to the stops. This one will be next destinations. Let's say we can target كسبب زي areas in the price in the zone زي من 4 ساعات break جيرو. So let's see, our market will move all the way up to this point. So there will be great opportunity for AUDUSD. Now either direction malati, we are not taking any action right now. So we'll see price to give us this push to the up, all the way market it may drop up to this point. Next up, XAU convertina. XAU with my gold had the same story. Price of the trappy area until now lock up in the break gero, all the way it may shoot up in Nanera. Nazi asserted shot 00 on the break gernaha, all the way in the sell. Price there is high probability to drop up in analyze gernaha last week. So lazy abzikriana price break and retest completely after nati na range way consolidations never zone musgadafalna, all the way it shoot up. Jahantana can back up gold nazolo maalti na 15-minute time frame here. Look how price is ranging. Price is ranging completely. Abnai must on a sideways move until now. Abnai 4 ساعات time frame ولا ندير غيرنا. So we'll expect them beautifully if price exit this zone. كسبب جاتي بينا هنا عنقبرنا. Price to the downside in break gernaha, our target will be this way. So we have to wait for XAU for gold price to move either direction when abja malati, because up range with the have nice consolidation structure at malati. Next we'll see finally GJ as well. Price beautifully rejected Cabs zones rejected Nala, as we can see. Let me remove this vertical line. So we may expect when I 15-minute time frame price down. If price broke 182, price it may shoot all the way to the up, or if 81.43 break it will go all the way to the downside. من 4 ساعات time frame كريا beautiful retrace جيرنا له نزي مالتي, price shoot all the way down. Again it may shoot all the way up. So Cabs rejection, there is high probability this market as well to continue to the downside. But that is a weeks. We have to wait. If we see any move price to break above between someone and Kilton, we are going to look for buy malati. So Zian and Nilo Malti Zian Matzazalo حابرناها نزمت زلوا سمون كما يكغيدي نتخاترني عن كيدنا سلام كتالكم دقيمة قدم سلام باي for now.